The South is used to be where you went for a weekend retreat. Today, this is where leaders are choose to raise their families. From international schools, yes, one of the common story I heard in Manila people, ang alam nila sa Laguna is for vacation lang or medyo retreat niya dahil medyo malayo siya sa city. But now, unti-unti, nagpupuntahan na sila dito, but not for a vacation, but because they want this place to be the next where they can grow their families. And sobrang common nga no na ang kala nila napakalayo ng Laguna. And with the use of South Luzon Expressway, naging napakadali na ang access from Manila. And not just because that, because everything you need, just like in Manila, is also here. I mentioned earlier, the international schools are already here, just like the Brentville International, which is literally 5 to 10 minutes away. New Valley, they have the schools yan, at least 2 schools, Xavier and Miriam College. Dito lang sa malapit sa area, literal na likod ng Trava, UST, Santa Rosa Campus, and UE sa may development naman ni Eton. So kung makikita nyo, sobrang dami ng tao from Manila, no, especially mga leaders natin na kilala dyan sa Manila, they are moving here in South, not just because they don't want that city life, but because they see an opportunity that what we had in Manila is already we have here in South. So literally, akala ng ibang tao is pag pumunta ka dito sa South at dito ka nanirahan, is magbabago like literal yung buhay mo. Yes, magbabago, pero for good. Pero lahat ng mga nakasanayan mo sa Manila, sa Makati, or kung saan man tinitirahan mong kondo, we have that kinds of development too. In terms of leisure, diba, mga malls, and also beach resorts just few minutes away. Lalo na kapag nagawa na yung mga infrastructure na papunta dun sa Batangas, and literally the schools. And that's one of the main reason why they still moving here in South. And maybe you should consider too. With Calax and Skyway, Forbes Park going to BGC will take you same time as Trava going to BGC. What's the difference? When you return home in Trava, it feels like a private resort, not just a crowded city street. As I mentioned guys earlier, Trava is located in a master plan development of Greenfield, which is Greenfield City. And it's located in Santa Rosa, Laguna, in the middle of the future and existing infrastructure here in the South. So, ganun kahalaga na nasa gitna ka ng development ng mga infrastructure because you are just a few minutes away lang sa lahat ng kailangan mo. Even you are going to Manila or Batangas because you are in the middle. And in terms of infrastructure, no, South Luzon Expressway is still expanding, which is the TR4, and with the use of Skyway, napakadali na pumunta ng BGC and Manila. And also, Calax, guys, is still expanding. Nung nagawa yung Calax, sobrang lumuwag pa yung papunta dito sa Santa Rosa, Tagaytay Road, yung mga especially mga tao from north going to Tagaytay or Batangas. And also, they are still expanding, which is CBEX, Cavite Batangas Expressway, and it will link to Calax. Imagine that kind of infrastructure. Mapapadali na yung mga tao from Batangas going here sa ating lugar naman, and also tayo naman papunta sa Batangas, which is usually we do in our weekends, lalo na pag summer, because sa mga nagagandahan nilang mga beach resorts. Today, prestige is measured by the space you own, the air you breathe, and the community you belong. And that's what Trava offers. Before guys, being close to Manila or living inside Manila is prestige, right? So before, yun yung mga pangarap nating community, pangarap nating bahay, pangarap nating location, because we think before that having a property in that kind of developments is the real luxury. But today, being prestige is different. It's having like a balance in nature where you can live peacefully. No, and that's Trava. because having this kind of community, kung makikita nyo, hindi siya ghost town, just like other developments na high-end or na premium development. Here in Trava, if di ako nagkakamali, around 10 to 12 houses na ang itinatayo dito in the future. So this is the kind of community you will have, just like right now, na dinedevelopan natin ang phase 2. So dito, tinatayo pa lang, nade-develop pa lang, makikita mo yung mga tao, yung mga investors, they are not investing and expecting for a return of money. They are investing more because they really want to have a place like Trava. Wide roads, underground utilities, and a community of leaders. That's how it redefines the exclusivity here in the South. And for people who don't know, Trava is the flagship development of Greenfield here in Santa Rosa, Laguna. And this is the last horizontal development they will develop, and the next is all vertical. So imagine, if all developments here happened, here in Greenfield City alone, so puro condo dyan, puro establishment in the area, this is the only horizontal land. With this kind of development, with this kind of community, makikita nyo kung saan mga nakapwesto, mga may-ari ng towers dyan na itatayo in the future, they are living here. And this is the last. Imagine, puro condo yan, tas this is the only horizontal. Imagine how valuable having a property here in Trava. Yesterday, I toured a client here in Trava, and he said, Carl, this is the first place I visited outside Metro Manila that feels like Forbes. And when I hear that, I understand that the South isn't the future anymore. It's the present. And I can say it literally because of the developments in the area. Kung ano yung schools na nakikita natin sa Manila, literally, nandito na rin sila sa South. Specifically here in Santa Rosa, Laguna. Kagaya ng mga leisure, no? Mention ko na rin itong ongoing construction na SM Neo Verde, just a few minutes away from here sa Trava. So kung makikita nyo yung developments, that's why nasabi ng client natin na literal na outside Manila, this is the next BGC or the next Makati of the South. Because makikita nyo yung development, same pattern eh. Ano-ano yung mga developers na naglaro sa Makati? Ano-ano yung mga players doon? Ano yung mga natutunan nila doon sa mga development nilang yon? Yun din ang in-apply nila dito. And they are all the same players here in the South, specifically here in Santa Rosa, Laguna. Kaya safely to say na they will develop just like Makati but better version of it. Forbes, Bel Air, and Dasma, they defined the past. But the future wealth is no longer in Manila's crowded street. It's here in the South, where Trava is setting the standard. The question is, will your family will be part of the shift? If you want to know more about Trava, you can contact us directly on the numbers flash on the screen. That is 639-6960-20-739. It has a Viber, WhatsApp, and iMessage para sa ating mga kababayan abroad. And that's all for today's video, guys. Thank you guys for watching, and see you on my next one.